People are out of job because of this factory which is closed down, and they should not have been. I don't know the reason why they have been closed. People, big up on yourself once again. Today my location is in Braze River, St. Elizabeth. Alright, the reason why I stopped in Braze River here to do this vlog is that I passed here a couple of times and I see this place here, which I won't say it is abandoned, but it was a factory. So the sign, it was a factory, the home of Santa Cruz processors, canned food processors. Alright, jam can. Alright, my people, so basically what I want to do now, I'm going to give you guys a tour over the place there. Alright, so come along with my eyes are yours, people. Alright, so see the place here. This used to be the security post. Yeah, man. So guys, see it there, it's a nice piece of property. They used to process Ackee and Kalalo, as I've told, over here. And alongside here you have the football field. You have Braze River football field, a community center. Over here on Sundays they do a little six-a-side football competition and all of those things. Alright, so getting closer to the spot now, my people. Alright, so people, you know say Jamaica is land of wood and water, and Jamaica national fruit is Ackee. Alright, so right now, my people, these you see here is the stand that they used to put the trays on with the Ackee in the sun, you know, because I've passed here numerous times and see the Ackees outside. Alright, so guys, I'm not sure of the reason why this place is closed down, but this factory was very important to the community of Braze River as it regards to processing and, you know, try to get some people to come in, you know, sell them Ackee so that they can send them abroad. Alright, people used to sell Ackee to these people here. I'm not sure, as I've said before, I'm not sure why the factory has been closed down. And I have heard that this place has been closed down for over 10 to 15 years. And guys, trust me, passing here back in the days, you know, and you see the smoke used to come out of that chimney up there. Trust me guys, it is so amazing knowing that a little factory like this can produce a lot of Ackee to ship to overseas. You guys see it there? They have right now, my people, this used to be, I think, one of the area that they store some stuff. This is a water tank. Yes, my people. So yes, my people, this is what is left of the place, the Ackee factory, which is here, which is still standing. In here, you have the cutting and cleaning area. So right now, the top have been blown off by Hurricane Melissa. And guys, as you can see, they still have their cutting tables right here, still firm. And they have their pans that they used to use. Yes. Some of the zinc are still on the house, on the top, rather not the house. In here is grilled. They put some grill right here, so you can't go anywhere. In here you can hardly see in there. Alright, so people, right now I don't know much about this place, but I have to stop here to show you guys. Right now this factory should not have been closed. This factory should have never closed down, my people, because right now this was very useful to the community of Braze River. Right now people are out of job because of this factory which is closed down, and they should not have been. I don't know the reason why they have been closed out or closed down, but people, trust me, it is so sad to see this, you know, building gone to waste. Trust me, people, there's a lot of goat manure over here and all of those things, because a lot of goats are on the outside. But people, let me see how closer I can get to see if I can show you guys what is on the inside. Oh, and see a sign here. It says you are entering a food processing area. You know, so safety, you have to adhere to their safety rules. Alright, so I'm on the other side now, showing you guys what is inside of here. I think this is a boiler machine or something that they used to store water. This was a big gate, you know. And guys, trust me, it's a nice area, guys. Nice area, well built up, you know. So see it there. I'm trying to give you as many angles as I can show you from. And here inside is a canning area, storable storage and lab, and you have the washing area inside here. So right now you have the sealing and coding area. So everything that I've just stated is right here. All right, so the washing area is over there, the processing area, the canned area, and storage and lab is to the left. And up here they have the sealing and coding area. So they have the cooling tank over there. No one is allowed to tamper with the instrument signed by management. So guys, they have a lot of machinery inside. I cannot go inside, however they have a lot of machinery inside there, just the same. And they have the what they call them now, that run that carries the machine. They have the guys, I don't remember what they call it, that take the thing from one place to another. They have it on a running, on a belt that takes it around and all of those things. So they still have the machine inside there, guys, trust me. And a lot of machine they have inside there. So let me try and see if I can give you any view from right here. Alright, so stick and stay. So alright, my people, that is one of the tank over there that I have just shown you a while ago. Over there is the packaging, is the packing area. Cooling tank is over there. and they said that floor and drainage must be washed and sanitized after work is being finished. So guys, right now, as me I tell you now, the work is not done until the area is clean. That is from my observation. Alright, so guys, trust me, this is a place I shouldn't lock down. Now I tell you no lie. So guys, right now you see the little we have, we should invest in it, guys. Who am I to say that, you know, it is been closed down by this or by that? I don't know, but unfortunately it has been closed down. So guys, we just show no what go on, you know. Just show no what go on. This is inside of the Ackee and Callaloo factory, which is in St. Elizabeth here. They call it the processor. Oh, so this is the machine, guys, that you run it on a belt and it takes the things to the packing area and all of those things. So those pots over there are the heated pots. They close them in there and they go to certain temperature and, you know, seal the can and all of those things, guys. So they have a lot of things inside here same way, and as said before, the top has been dismantled because of Hurricane Melissa. Alright, so people, you know, stick and stay and watch what go on. See it now, my people, as may I say, this used to be one of the best, you know, processing factory in Braze River or in St. Elizabeth. So right now, I'm going to close off the video here. It has been closed down for about 10 to 15 years, as I've heard. So right now, my people, I'll close off the video here. So it's time to say goodbye. So always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that you see this video on My Eyes Are Yours. Alright? So people, big up on yourself. Enough love.